These boathouses were originally built around 1860 and are located along Kelly Drive. They came into existence thanks to the construction of the Fairmount Dam and waterworks, which prevented tidal waters from entering the city's water supply. Boathouse Row consists of 15 houses, 14 of which are part of the Schuylkill Navy. The houses host crew members at every level, including local clubs, high schools, colleges, summer racing programs, and international level athletics. Fairmount Rowing Association specifically is home to an amateur rowing club that was founded in 1877.
Yeah, we're at Fairmount Rowing Association, and we is a completely volunteer organization. We are primarily a masters rowing club, masters meaning post-collegiate. I have about 150 members, give or take, that we maintain on a regular basis. I've been here since 2003. I became a member. I've been president, I think, for about the last 10 years.